Okay, here is an antique brass Casablanca Zephyr ceiling fan. Slumber quiet, aka variable speed. Can't remember whether it's 50 or 52 inches. One of the two most likely. 4 blades, no light. Casablanca pull. There's the top. I got this ceiling fan from Dan Newman from his fire sale that he had around Thanksgiving time. This fan's been installed for about 3 weeks now. I haven't been able to videotape it yet because I've been sick for like the last week or so. Today my cold and cough have finally gone down, so I decided to make a video of this fan. It's a really beautiful fan. It's very quiet, moves great air. The only downside is the blade alignment is really bad. Some of the blades are warped, some more than others, and the brackets are a little out of alignment as well. But that's pretty much the only downside. Everything else is good with this fan. Show you the tag. And with that, I will demonstrate it. That's as slow as it can go. Geez, it is really windy out today. I apologize if the camera picks up the audio of the wind or something like that. It's really windy outside. It has been all day, so I apologize if the camera picks up on the wind at any time through the video. Turn it up a bit. Jeez, camera keeps fuzzing out. Garage light just went out. You can tell the blades are a little all over the place there. And full speed. and off. So there you go. This is my 50 to 52 inch antique brass Slumber Quiet Casablanca Zephyr ceiling fan. Thanks again to Dan Newman for selling it to me. Anyways, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Russian Fazbear, out.